Welcome to Tippy's Quiz Night. I'm Eric. The format of this couldn't be simpler. We're going to give you a series of questions. They're multiple choice, A, B, C or D. All you have to do is make a note of what you think is the correct answer. We'll take the questions nice and steady, but the answers will come at you very quick indeed. So make sure you've got a good note of those. Now then, you might find that some questions you think, actually, you know what, Eric, if we do this, 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 and this, then two of those answers could be correct. Well, go for the most obvious answer. We're not trying to trick anybody here. All right, that said, let's get on with the quiz. This quiz, the specialist subject, is Photoshop Smart Objects, and there are 30 questions for you to answer. If you struggle with any, don't panic, hit the space bar or click the pause button and then it will stop and you can carry on whenever you're ready. Nobody's judging you, it's just for fun. All right, let's get cracking with Tippy's Quiz Night. Question number 1. Nice and straightforward. What are smart objects? Are they A, filters in Photoshop? Are they B, layers that contain image data? Are they C, adjustment tools? Or are they D, image formats? Question number 2. Smart objects preserve an image's source content to allow what? A, destructive editing. B, non-destructive editing. C, image compression. Or D, image duplication. And question number 3. In Photoshop, you can create A, embedded smart objects, B, linked smart objects, D, duplicated smart objects, or D, filtered smart objects. Okay, hopefully you're getting the hang of it and the speed that we're going. Don't forget, you can pause, don't panic, it's just for fun. Here we go then, question number 4. The contents of a linked smart object are updated when A, its size changes, B, its color changes, C, its source image file changes, or D, its layer is hidden. And straight on to question number 5. Linked smart objects can be used across A, multiple Illustrator documents, B, multiple Photoshop documents, C, multiple InDesign documents, or D, multiple Premiere Pro documents. Question number 6. With smart objects, you can perform A, painting, B, dodging, C, transforms, or D, cloning. Question number 7. Smart objects allow you to work with A, raster data only, B, vector data only, C, both raster and vector data, or D, neither raster nor vector data. Question number 8. To alter pixel data on a smart object, you must A, delete it, B, merge it, C, convert it into a regular layer, or D, apply a filter to it. Question number 9. The linked smart object feature was first available in Photoshop CC version A14, B 14.1, C 14.2, or D 15. And question number 10. To create a linked smart object, you should choose A, file and then place embedded, B, file and then place linked, C, edit, then place linked, or D, edit and then place embedded. Okay, well done. We're a third the way through. Stick with it. You're doing great. Probably. Hopefully better than me. Okay, question number 11. Linked smart objects result in A, larger file sizes, B, no change in file sizes, C, smaller file sizes, or D, variable file sizes. Question number 12. If an external source file changes, the linked smart object is A, deleted, B, automatically updated, C, hidden, or D, merged. Question number 13. Out of sync linked smart objects are highlighted in the A, toolbar, B, menu bar, C, layers panel, or D, properties panel. Question number 14. To update all linked smart objects, you should choose A, layer smart objects update all, or is it B, edit update all smart objects, C, layer update all linked objects, or D, layer smart objects update all modified content. Question number 15. Missing external source files for linked smart objects are highlighted in the A, toolbar, B, menu bar, C, layers panel, or D, properties panel. Excellent, good stuff. Halfway through, let's crack on. Question number 16. When you transform a smart object with a smart filter applied to it, Photoshop does what? Is it A, deletes the filter, B, turns off filter effects, C, merges the filter with the object, or D, applies the filter after the transform? Question 17. Smart objects allow you to perform non-destructive what? A, filtering, B, painting, C, cloning, D, merging. It's a strange choice of wording, isn't it? You know what we mean. Question number 18. You can edit one smart object and A, delete all its linked instances, B, hide all its linked instances, C, you can update all its linked instances, or D, you can merge all its linked instances. And question 19. To export the contents of an embedded smart object, you should choose A, edit export contents, B, layer export contents, C, file export contents, or D, layer smart objects export contents. That's one of those UI questions that you might have seen hundreds or maybe even thousands of times, trying to picture it in your head. It's difficult, isn't it? Question 20. Photoshop exports the smart object in its original format, such as A, PSD, PNG or GIF, B, JPEG, AI, TIFF or PDF, C, BMP, EPS or SVG, and D, RAW, DNG or TIFF. I think the most comments we're going to get about this are whether it's GIF or GIF. Feel free to tell me what you would prefer and I will ignore them all. Okay, question 21. Smart objects allow you to try designs with A, high resolution placeholder images, B, low resolution placeholder images, C, vector placeholder images, or D, raster placeholder images. Question 22. Smart objects can't be directly altered using tools like A, transform, B, paint, C, scale, or D, rotate. Question 23. Smart objects allow you to work with vector data from A, Photoshop, B, InDesign, C, Illustrator, or D, Premiere Pro. And question 24. Smart objects allow you to apply a layer mask that's A, always linked to the smart object layer, B, never linked to the smart object layer, C, either linked or unlinked to the layer, or D, merged with the smart object layers. And question 25, we're on the home stretch now. When you transform a smart object with a smart filter, filter effects are applied A, before the transform, B, during the transform, C, after the transform is complete, or D, never. And question 26. Smart objects allow you to perform non-destructive what? A, warping, B, painting, C, dodging, or D, burning. Question 27. Smart objects allow you to work with vector artwork from Illustrator that would normally be A, enhanced in Photoshop, B, deleted in Photoshop, C, rasterized in Photoshop, or D, converted to smart filters in Photoshop. Question 28. To alter pixel data on a smart object, you can A, edit its contents, B, delete it, C, merge it, or D, hide it. Question 29. When you transform a smart object with a smart filter applied, Photoshop deletes the smart filter, B, merges the filter with the object, C, turns off filter effects during the transform, or D, applies the filter before the transform. Maybe that was the first time you paused this. Let's crack on. The last question is question number 30. Linked smart objects maintain a dependency on A, an internal file, B, a duplicated file, C, an external file, or D, a merged file. There we go. That, my friends, is 30 questions on smart objects. We'll be back in just a second, but for now, let's take a well-earned break. Welcome back. Right, all we need to do now is give you the answers. These are going to come thick and fast. Don't forget, you can always go and push the pause button. There's also going to be chapter marks if you're watching this on YouTube. You can find them down the bottom in the comments, or along the bottom if you're not watching on YouTube. You can see the little bars there. Anyway, let's not waste any more time. Let's go and take a look at the answers. Remember, coming thick and fast. Here we go. Question 1. What are smart objects? B. Layers that contain image data. Question 2. Smart objects preserve an image's source content to allow B. Non-destructive editing. Question 3. In Photoshop, you can B. Create linked smart objects. Question 4. The contents of a linked smart object are updated when C. Its source image file changes. Question 5. Linked smart objects can be used across B. Multiple Photoshop documents. Question 6. With smart objects, you can perform C. Transforms. Question 7. Smart objects allow you to work with C. Both raster and vector data. Question 8. To alter pixel data on a smart object, you must C. Convert it into a regular layer. Question 9. The linked smart object feature was available in Photoshop CC version C 14.2. Question 10. To create a linked smart object, you should choose B. File, place linked. Question 11. Linked smart objects result in C. Smaller file sizes. Question 12. If an external source file changes, the linked smart object is B. Automatically updated. Question 13. Out of sync linked smart objects are highlighted in C, the layers panel. Question 14. To update all linked smart objects, you should choose D, layer smart objects, update all modified content. Question 15. Missing external source files for linked smart objects are highlighted in the C layers panel. Question 16. When you transform a smart object with a smart filter applied to it, Photoshop B turns off the filter effects. Question 17. Smart objects allow you to perform non-destructive A filtering. Question 18. You can edit one smart object and C. Update all its linked instances. Question 19. To export the contents of an embedded smart object, you should choose D. Layer smart objects, export contents. Question 20. Photoshop exports the smart object in its original format, such as B, JPEG, AI, TIFF and PDF. Question 21. Smart objects allow you to try designs with B, low resolution placeholder images. Question 22. Smart objects can't be directly altered using tools like B, Paint. Question 23. Smart objects allow you to work with vector data from C, Illustrator. Question 24. Smart objects allow you to apply a layer mask that's C, either linked or unlinked to the layer. Question 25. When you transform a smart object with a smart filter, filter effects are applied C, after the transform is complete. Question 26. Smart objects allow you to perform non-destructive A, warping. Question 27. Smart objects allow you to work with vector artwork from Illustrator that would be C, rasterized in Photoshop. Question 28. To alter pixel data on a smart object, you can A, edit its contents. Question 29. When you transform a smart object with a smart filter applied, Photoshop C turns off filter effects during the transformation. And question 30. Linked smart objects maintain a dependency on C, an external file. And there we go. That's all the questions, all the answers. I need to slow down a little bit, let the adrenaline go. Whew, okay, let me know how you did in the comments. Let me know any feedback that you have or any topics you'd like me to cover in the future. But that was it. That was Tippy's first ever quiz night. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you again next time. Bye bye for now.